Hi, I'm Sara with the Calcasieu Parish Public Library. Have you ever wondered how a slinky walks? You'll notice that when I nudge the slinky down, it's going to flip end over end as it slowly stretches itself out. It does this using gravity and its own momentum. Gravity is an invisible force that pushes objects together. It's what keeps us weight down on Earth and makes objects fall. Did you know that you can actually use gravity? Today I'm going to show you how to make a passive dynamic mini walker. A passive dynamic is a robot that walks using gravity. It doesn't use a battery or a motor. A lot like a slinky, it's going to use its own momentum and gravity to walk.
For materials, you will need a glue stick, a sharpened pencil, scissors, a dowel rod, cardboard, a ruler, beads, craft foam, thin cork or felt, we will be using felt, and mini craft sticks. To start, we are going to create 2 legs from cardboard. Measure 2 3/4 inches or 2.75 inches long. Then measure 1.5 inches or 1.5 inches wide. You will need 2 cardboard legs, so do these measurements twice. When you're done, cut out your cardboard legs. You can go ahead and double check your measurements as well. Now take your cardboard piece and measure 1 inch up by 1/2 inch or 0.5 inches out. Draw a line and then draw a line down from that line to the edge. You can cut that little rectangle piece out. You should now have an L-shaped leg. Do it for both pieces. Take one of your legs and poke a hole near the top, but not too close to the top where the cardboard breaks. Use a very sharp pencil and try to squeeze your pencil through the hole. That way the hole will be big enough for your dowel rod. Do this for your other leg as well. You will need to bend your cardboard at your ankle, where your foot meets your leg. Once you do this for both cardboard pieces, your legs will be ready. Trace around the foot on a piece of craft foam, felt, or cork. Cut it out and glue it to the bottom of your foot. Do the same on the other foot. This is going to provide traction for your feet. Slip a bead onto your dowel rod. Try to use a bead that's a little tight. If it's loose enough to slide around, just keep it in place with your finger for now. Slide it a little bit past the middle of your dowel rod. Slide one of your legs behind your first bead and have the foot facing outward. The leg and the bead should be almost touching. Slide some more beads on your dowel rod. The bead should measure 1/2 inch or 0.5 inches. Then slide your other leg with the foot facing out, and then one more bead on the outside. Again, try to use a bead that's a little tight on the dowel rod. If the outside beads are sliding around, you can try wrapping the rubber band or maybe taping it to the dowel rod to keep them from sliding. Stick a bead on each end of the dowel rod. Again, remember to make sure it stays tight. If it slides around, you can use tape. Your walker should now be able to stand. For your last step, glue a mini craft stick on each foot right next to the leg. If you find that you're having trouble with your walker, try making some small adjustments. If the legs are sliding out sideways, try adding a shin guard to the outside of each leg, but make sure it doesn't rub against the rod. If you find your walker veers to one side, try readjusting the beads to shift the weight a tiny bit. Remember, if it walks at all, it is working. And it may take a few tries, but don't give up, you got this.
Did you get your passive dynamic mini walker to walk? Try experimenting with it. You can add extra legs, extra arms for more energy, or even give it some knees. To learn more about this experiment and other cool experiments about robotics, check out this book, Robotics, the Science and Technology of the Future with 20 Projects by Calcasieu. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you'll have a wonderful day. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon.